There's no more raining on them.
Oh my God. Everyone cleared the fuck out of there.
Hey, Sean, will you move that plastic?
Move the pony!
Matt's the only one who didn't move. Everybody else looked clean.
Note, Matt, the only one continuing to sit by the burning Christmas tree.
Look, this is after it was on there for like a minute. Oh my God, that was insanity.
Hey, maybe we should move back.
This is the image of the death of Christmas.
I told Sally, you might want to move. It's like shriveling.
Yeah.
We should wait a
It's
little bit
crazy.
longer.
Christmas is dying right before our eyes. Oh well.
Yeah, we should take a break.
The tree's the bad part about Christmas. It's gonna burn it.
Apparently.